Hello, I'm Barbara Levin, and I am co-hosting this second virtual Legal Nurse Consulting Success Conference with my friend and colleague, Patricia Iyer. Today, I am with Nursine Jackson, and she will be presenting with attorney Jonathan Lamoro on advanced technology to tell a story in a different light. Nursine Jackson is a master's prepared cardiovascular clinical specialist and a legal nurse consultant. She has been instrumental in assisting plaintiff attorneys in developing mechanisms to incorporate electronic medical records into their practices. Nursine has chaired the international committee that updated the audit trail standard ASTM E2147 in 2018, and then led the crusade to have this updated standard incorporated into law via the Cures Act. The final rule of the Cures Act was published on May 1, 2020, making ASTM E2147-18 the law. This is very exciting, and congratulations, Nursine. We are so excited to have you here, as I understand that you and Attorney Lamoro will talk about utilizing technology in the courtroom, and you will also be presenting on how to organize medical records and label files and the importance of that. So please tell us more.
Thank you, Barbara. As our jobs become more complex with discovery, it's more and more important that we file things in a way that we can find them and that we don't have to redo our work again and again. The first time we read through it, we should be thinking about what's going to be useful in the future when we refer back to the file, how to find that file in our complex file system. And I am constantly trying to develop an organizational system on my own computers to be able to get right into the document that I need and not have to retrack my steps to figure out what that document is or where it is. It's always been a goal of mine to help people do the same. There's only 24 hours in a day, and if you spend your 24 hours trying to find things, that's not very productive. I want us to be optimized in our productivity, in our time working, and optimized in our time playing. I've worked on developing naming conventions and filing standards my whole career, but with the combining forces with John in his legal tech book, I have learned that his mind works like my mind, and I'm going to show you what the documents are that attorneys are working with. Sometimes we are responsible also for helping them keep track of things and naming their documents so they can keep track of it. Sometimes we just need to know where to look, find what they have and what they might have. And so the goal of my presentation is to help a nurse understand how she fits into this whole process, not only of developing documents and assisting them, but also keeping track of what they have and knowing what they need.
I'm really excited that you'll be joining us at this virtual conference. You have such a wealth of knowledge, and you have certainly mastered and learned so much over the years and have taught many over that time. I'm sure that all legal nurses, new and experienced, can certainly relate when you have even just one case, the volume of materials that are sent to you, and how do you organize those? And then as your business grows and you have many more clients and many more documents, how do you name them? How do you file them? So thank you so much. I'm excited to hear what you have to say.
Thank you.
Please join us on October 23, 24, 25 for our second virtual Legal Nurse Consulting Success Conference. Please see our site below, LNC.tips October 2020 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.